packing box, storage bag, U-shaped pliers, data cable, watch pen, manual, lithium battery direct charging mode, environmentally friendly, convenient and worry-free. Direct current. Switch to the DC current gear, and use the pliers to clamp the single strand to measure. Alternating current. It can be measured immediately after starting the machine, and the single strand can be measured by clamping the pliers. Flashlight lighting. NCV induction. Switch to NCV gear, and a beep will sound when a voltage is sensed. The watch pen is connected to the corresponding port. DC voltage. Automatically identify the voltage gear, and the pen can be measured by touching both ends of the battery. AC voltage. Automatic identification of voltage gears. Household commonly used AC voltage is around 220 V. Supports data retention mode. Resistance. Automatically identify the resistance gear, and the pen can contact both ends of the resistance. Buzzer. Automatically identify the buzzer gear, test on and off, and issue a beep to indicate normal patency. Diodes. Automatically identify the diode gear, and the stylus can touch both ends of the diode. Capacitance. A short discharge is required before the test. Automatically identify the capacitor gear, and the watch pen can contact both ends of the capacitor. Hertz. Automatically identify the Hertz gear. Just operate as shown in the video.